Hello, good morning, and welcome back to Make Your Mind. This is just a quick video, sort of change of pace, really. I wanted to make this video just because I actually did something last year, the beginning of last year, sort of when the pandemic first started. It was a personal goal of mine, and it's something that I recommend, if you can, please do this. Back in February, I completed a personal goal of mine, and I officially started a garden. And I was given one plant. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. I was given one plant by a friend. It was a small little pepper plant, no taller than about that, with about 5 leaves on it. And now it's been almost a year. It's now January. I got the plant first in March, so it's been about 10 months. And for those of you who don't know, these are the peppers that it bears. These are called Datil peppers. I'm just showing you the color progression here, what the peppers look like. This is just a few of the fruits that I've bared over the last couple of weeks. The plant itself has actually been bearing for close to about 3 months. And it's been one of the most humbling experiences, I have to admit, that I've ever had in my life. I mean, here's a good example. So you see the color progression when the pepper, when it gets to a certain size, it turns this sort of green. You see how it's got the sheen on it. It's also very thick. It's a very sturdy pepper. And then it slowly turns orange, as you can see. Come here, you. You notice this? Right there? That is actually the stem of the flower. And that's the back of the flower. The fruit actually comes directly out of the flower. And as it matures, it slowly goes from green to yellow to orange over time. And then it slowly changes even more. You see that? The color progression. There it is. And then it goes, as you can see here between these two, from yellow to orange. And it's funny how you get all the different sizes. You got this long, thin one. You got this fat one with all the wrinkles on it. But just to give you an idea, starting this plant, it's been bearing now for about 3 months. And this is the fruit that I picked literally this morning. I picked all of these this morning. These are all ripe datil peppers. And I use these in all kinds of recipes. I cut them up fresh for pico de gallo. I also cut them up and use them in my own personal hot sauces that I make. I also mix it in salsa. And I've even dried some of these and crushed them into a powder to use as seasoning to add later. And these peppers, they're a little bit harder than a habanero, but they're also sweeter, especially when they turn orange. They actually get sweeter as they mature. But this is just a little video that I wanted to post showing that I wanted to make this channel not just about clay sculptures, but also about personal goals. And for anyone out there who thinks that they can't start a garden, you're wrong. I thought the exact same thing. But starting this garden, and now I have 2 other plants added to the garden. I have a mango tree that's about 2 feet tall, and I have a hibiscus that is already bearing. It has 5 flowers. And that's just the beginning. But I would recommend anyone, if they can, please start a garden. It's an incredibly humbling experience to be able to grow something in your own yard, if you have a yard, or you can use a potted plant as well. But I would recommend anyone who starts this, try to use purified water and do not use any insecticides, fungicides, anything like that, because it will actually make the fruits taste better. And who knows, if I get enough views, I'll eat one of these and post a video on it, huh? But maybe that won't be for some time. So with that, thank you very much for watching all the way up to this point. If you enjoy content like this, go ahead and leave a like down below, hit subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss amazing content like this. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your day.